So here's our Yukon Gold and red potatoes from our potato patch. Now some of these I'm going to use to replant right away. And so we're still in the winter season. So in fact, just starting out. I got ahead of my potatoes sooner than most people would. But here I'm going to get a second season of potatoes. And so these are russet potatoes. Before this we had Yukon Golds. This is our third potatoes for the season. Usually you plant a potato in the fall or winter. And you use a potato with a little sprout on it like this you could get at the nursery. Now what happens with us is we end up using some of the potatoes that we harvest, we put them back in again after, and redo it and redo it and redo it. So when you harvest these, it's when this plant starts to yellow and die, that's when you harvest it. We're getting ready to harvest our potatoes. Now in here are Yukon Gold and red potatoes. So people say to me, hey Tim, when do I harvest my potatoes? When the plants die off like this is when you should harvest them. I could have probably harvested these 3 weeks ago, but I was busy. Let's go ahead and harvest the potatoes. Now you can use a tool, but you're gonna damage the potatoes. I don't like doing that. The skin is usually pretty thin. So I just use like a stick and come in here, and here's a plant. Pull it up, look at those. So these are Yukon. These are the Yukon Gold. Isn't that great?